Are you constantly on the go? Sometimes it's easy just to reach for that bag of chips, package of cookies, or any other processed food when your child is hungry. Maybe they're crying at the grocery store because they want a fruit roll-up, so you give in to make them stop. The truth is, many of these foods have cancer-causing ingredients among other chemicals that can be detrimental to a child's future health. Today, we're going to be covering the top 5 cancer-causing foods that you shouldn't be feeding your child. Let's get into the madness. Number 1, Teddy Grahams. These little bear snacks are laced with the chemical preservative TBHQ, which has been linked to stomach cancer in lab rats, fragment DNA, and can damage human lung and umbilical cells. Kids who eat these snacks can develop ADHD, anxiety, and symptoms of restlessness. Number 2, Kid Cuisine. These frozen meals appeal to kids because they are often adorned with the newest cartoon movie characters. Corn, macaroni and cheese, chocolate pudding, and chicken nuggets do not equate to a nutritious meal. Everything in this box is processed and filled with GMOs. Read the label to discover all the trans fats, hydrogenated oils, red dye 40, blue dye 1 and 2, and yellow dye 6, among a bunch of other chemicals. These microwave meals may save time in the kitchen, but it can shave time off life in the long run. Number 3, fruit snacks. You may want to lower your expectations on the fruit aspect of this snack. A package of these is not the same as an apple, not by a long shot. The most commonly used color in these fruit gummies is red dye number 3, or erythrosine. This chemical is unsafe to use on your skin, yet is it really okay to put inside your body? Just saying. Number 4, Pop-Tarts. Don't let the baked with real fruit note entice you. Read the nutrition and ingredient labels and you'll find that you can't pronounce most of the ingredients. High fructose corn syrup, soybeans, palm oil, dextrose, and artificial flavors have all been linked to sugar addiction, diabetes, and liver problems in children. Even that real fruit is sprayed with pesticides and grown with GMOs. Pop-Tarts also contain TBHQ, along with Teddy Grahams. TBHQ has been used for many years and serves no function other than increasing a product's shelf life. In recent years, studies have found that it might influence how well flu vaccines work, and it could be linked to a rise in food allergies. Stay vigilant. Number 5, Goldfish. Goldfish are common in many households. They are said to be made with whole grains and real cheddar, but look at the bag or carton to see why they should be out of your kid's diet completely. A recent report has shown that there are unsafe levels of glyphosate residue on goldfish crackers. Glyphosate is an herbicide that has been used since the 1970s. It is applied to the leaves of plants to kill both broadleaf plants and grasses. So the next time you reach for a bag of goldfish, remember, the snack that smiles back may cause cancer. Healthy snacks are important for a child. It may require a little more effort, and you may have to put up with some crying and yelling, but it will benefit them in the long run. That's all for today. Drop a comment below. Tell us how you really feel. See you next time for another Dherbs Weekly Top 5.